We got the 2018 Buick Enclave here. And what we're doing is we're changing out the radiator. Bring you back here. Buick Enclave all-wheel drive. Really nice car, but it is a hassle to change out this radiator. Now, as you see here, we took off the whole front bumper area. The whole thing has to come off. Got Mr. Rico here getting to it, putting back the condenser right here in the front area. A lot of stuff has to come loose. The bottom splash guard, this front piece here that protects the condenser from getting beat up. And the reason why we replaced it is, you can see right here on the old radiator, right along here, you had a whole bunch of transmission fluid leaking from the transmission cooler line, which is right here in this top one. So make sure y'all get with us at Puro Mobile Repair Service. We come all over the DFW area. Number is going to be right here on the bottom of the screen. You'll be able to see it right there. Send us a text message and we'll get you a quote as soon as we possibly can. What we're doing now is we're bleeding the system. We got the car revved up at 2,000 RPMs. Got the AC off. Got the heater on high. What we want to do is keep bleeding it until it starts to get warm. So that's what we're doing. Go ahead and rev her back up to about 2,000 RPMs for another 10 seconds. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, we're adding in on this bad boy the OEM antifreeze, pre-diluted extended orange. It just drank in some coolant, so we're going to go ahead and put some more in there. We got her all buttoned back up, looking really nicely. Last thing you want to do when doing a repair like this is make sure that the heat works, especially out here in Texas, because it's really cold at this time of the year.